Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Let's learn about fruits. Repeat after me. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Grapes, grapes. Orange, orange. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Pineapple, pineapple. Strawberry, strawberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Watermelon, watermelon. Speaking practice. Listen and answer. What fruit do you like? I like apples. I like apples. What fruit do you like? I like bananas. I like bananas. What fruit do you like? I like grapes. I like grapes. What fruit do you like? I like oranges. I like oranges. What fruit do you like? I like peaches. I like peaches. What fruit do you like? I like pears. I like pears. What fruit do you like? I like pineapples. I like pineapples. What fruit do you like? I like strawberries. I like strawberries. What fruit do you like? I like blueberries. I like blueberries. What fruit do you like? I like watermelons. I like watermelons. Let's review. Repeat after me. I like apples. I like apples. I like bananas. I like bananas. I like grapes. I like grapes. I like oranges. I like oranges. I like peaches. I like peaches. I like pears. I like pears. I like pineapples. I like pineapples. I like strawberries. I like strawberries. I like blueberries. I like blueberries. I like watermelons. I like watermelons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.